Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect custom domain to Base44 app. Open the Base44 app that you already created and signed into. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Publish button. This makes sure your app is live and ready to be connected to a domain. After publishing, stay in the app and look for the domain section. You will see your default Base44 domain name. Next to it, click on the Manage option. Inside the Manage page, you will see an option called Add Custom Domain. Click on that option to continue. Before going further, keep in mind that connecting a custom domain requires a paid Base44 plan. If you are on a free plan, you will need to upgrade before this feature becomes available. Once the feature is unlocked, Base44 will show you domain records. These can be a CNAME, an A-name record, or an A record. Do not close this page, because you will need these values in the next steps. Now open a new tab and go to your domain registrar website, for example Hostinger. Log in to your account. After logging in, click on Domains. Find the domain you want to connect and click on Manage. Inside the domain settings, look for DNS settings or name servers. Open that section and click on Edit or Manage DNS records. You will now see a list of existing records. Using the details provided by Base44, add the required records. Carefully copy the record type, hostname, and value exactly as shown in Base44. Save the changes after adding or updating the records. Once verified, your custom domain will be connected to your Base44 app. Thanks for watching.